Otter.ai versus Trint. Which is better for you? In this video, we'll dive into a head-to-head comparison of Otter.ai and Trint, two of the most popular transcription tools on the market. We've included links to both products in the description below, so feel free to check them out after the video. Let's get straight to the point. Choosing the right transcription tool depends on your specific needs, whether you're a journalist, content creator, or business professional. Otter.ai is known for its AI-powered transcription capabilities, making it a favorite for those who need quick, accurate, and affordable transcriptions. It offers real-time transcription, which is particularly useful for live meetings, webinars, and interviews. One of Otter's standout features is its ability to identify and differentiate between speakers automatically, making it easier to follow conversations. Additionally, Otter.ai integrates seamlessly with platforms like Zoom and Microsoft Teams, making it ideal for business professionals who need to transcribe meetings and collaborate with team members. It also offers an organized workspace where you can store and search your transcripts, making it a great tool for those who deal with large volumes of audio content. While Otter.ai is user-friendly and offers a free tier, its accuracy might drop slightly with accents or background noise, which is something to consider if you're dealing with complex audio files. On the other hand, Trint offers a more robust solution for those who require high accuracy and editing capabilities. Trint's transcription service is also AI-powered, but tends to perform better in terms of accuracy, especially with difficult audio. Trint allows you to edit your transcripts directly within the platform, making it easy to correct any mistakes and customize the output. One of the key features of Trint is its ability to export transcriptions in multiple formats, including subtitles, which is incredibly useful for video content creators. Trint also offers collaboration features, allowing multiple users to edit the same transcript, making it a great choice for teams working on complex projects. However, Trint is a premium service, and its pricing reflects the advanced features it offers, so it might be more suited for professionals who need top-notch accuracy and are willing to invest in a premium tool. In conclusion, if you need a user-friendly, cost-effective transcription tool with real-time capabilities, Otter.ai is the way to go. But if accuracy, advanced editing features, and multiple export options are your top priorities, Trint is worth the investment. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific use case, and we've provided the links below to help you explore both tools further. Thanks for watching, and I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision.